Shortcake hair, Chinese bangs with my 2 braids. Ayy.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This video is going to be all about this U-part wig. So I did get a lot of questions on my last one of my U-part wig videos. I got a lot of questions on how to fix a U-part that is too big. So that's what I showed you here in this video. It's actually nothing like too crazy. It's kind of similar to what you would do to make any wig fit your head, whether it's a closure wig or a lace frontal wig. I added an elastic band. The unit already comes with comb clips inside. It already comes with the clips up top, around the side, and in the back. So adding the elastic band just gave it that extra snug fit, so it can take your U-part from baggy to fit in no time. So I'm going to show you how I did that, and then I also want to show you how I blended this hair. The company that we are working with today is Alipearl hair. This is actually a loose deep wave, I believe, and I love loose deep wave, and I've had loose deep wave hair from them before, but never in a U-part. If you want to see how to fix a big U-part wig, stay tuned for the rest of the video, and then I will have some styling with this hair later in the video, so continue to watch.
Then it's time to make some more. Then it's time to make some more.
So as I was editing this, I was looking back, like there could have been a few different ways that I styled or blended this hair. Like right here in this clip, I could have actually just flat ironed my natural hair and a little bit of the wig, and that would have gave a nice cute natural look too. So you can choose different methods to blend this. Like right here, I could have flat ironed that and then flat ironed my hair into the wig. That would have been a look. But I did want to come back and tell y'all, because as I was editing, I'm like, yo, I really didn't have to crimp it, but I just wanted to be extra and give that extra look. So yeah, keep that in mind when you're thinking about a U-part.
Then it's time to make some more.
Wonder.
Okay, so now to get into the specs of this hair, this is a 24-inch, 180 density U-part wig. And when I say this 24 is super long, it is very long. It's more like a 26. And we love the inches over here. So the texture I really like, because you could pull this texture apart, which is kind of like what I did here, because if you wet this hair down, you get that real pretty loose deep wave look. But my natural hair isn't really gonna blend with that, so I manipulated the hair to get it to blend with my natural hair. So I knew that using the waver, I would be able to achieve like a wave pattern that will flow from my hair right into the U part, and I really do like how this looks. I like the big hair. If you're not a fan of the big hair, you can always wet this hair down and it looks super, super pretty. The 180 density gives you the proper fullness, so it doesn't look super thin. And no matter how much hair you leave out, that's like up to you, but it's real easy to blend. I left the horseshoe section out, which is just enough to cover the tracks. So you want to make sure you have enough hair out to cover the tracks. Now I'm just gonna comb through my hair, comb it into this hair so you can see how easy that blends. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I love it. It kind of looks like it could pass for a sew-in for sure because of how natural it looks, especially like with your edges and stuff out, but it's a U part. I'm gonna show you what the back looks like. Alipearl gives you quite a few free gifts. They give you enough products to finesse your U-part wig. It did come with an elastic band. It came with the edge brush, and it came with an edge scarf. These things work wonders, especially if you have a hot comb and a wax stick and you have a problem with like your hair reverting or your hair not laying down. You use those products and you put this down, you tie your hair down, your hair will lay flat and you can get your hair to blend a lot easier. So that basically wraps up my quick video on Alipearl's U-part wig. I know somebody's gonna ask how it looks wet, but I really don't want to wet it. Should I wet it? If you do want to see it wet, drop that in the comment section. But I'm gonna leave it like this because I think this is cute. But I also want to say that there's a few different styles that you could get with this, like natural styles, how you can pull it back, tuck it behind your ear. You can put it in a ponytail. Like you can easily put it in a ponytail, side ponytail, low ponytail. You can braid it. You can do 2 braids going back. It's just super, super versatile, and I absolutely love the versatility of this. It's beautiful. If you have any questions, drop that down in the comment section. Definitely check them out. One thing I noticed on their website is they had a 2-for-1 deal on their U-parts, like 2 different textures, 1 price, 1 low price. So definitely check that out, and I will catch you in the next video.